Note, these are 125 kHz key FOBS tags. If you want to add them to your lock system, please ensure that your system uses the same frequency of unencrypted 125 kHz. Incompatible with other frequencies like 13.56 MHz. Incompatible with encrypted tags like HID, Indela, Cobra, APCIK, Paradox, Radio, Honeywell, Cabot, ISONAS, etc. Read-only. Not rewritable. You cannot reprogram them. Each key fob is already pre-programmed with a unique ID number. The 10-digit number is engraved on the tag casing. Compatible with other universal 125 kHz tags like M40-100/4102. Suitable for 125 kHz RFID proximity access control system and ID management system. For example, add it to your RFID door lock if applicable. Approximate size 1.4 1.10.2